Hi my friends, it's Ian Stewart with a new video. I've not made one for some time now, so please be patient with me. And I have got a bit of a cold, so if I sound a bit nasal, you know what it is. Okay, Martin has been busy again, and he's tweaked one of the tools that a lot of our members like, the exit pop-up generator. So let me just left click on there. Now, for those that are new to Buildabizonline or new to affiliate marketing, what is an exit pop-up? Okay, well, it is a pop-up that appears if somebody tries to go off one of your ads that you are promoting to people, and it's a pop-up that appears to try and bring them back to that ad or get them to click on something else. Okay, I hope that's explained it well enough for you. Now, here at Buildabizonline, we've had an exit pop-up, and this is a preview. Can you see that preview exit pop-up? This is the default settings. If you was to leave them alone like that, then this is what would happen once you had generated the exit pop-up and added it to an ad or a page that you want the pop-up to come up on. Okay, that is what it looks like. So wait. Click below for your surprise offer. You do not want to miss it. Click here now. Okay, so that's what it looks like as the default. But Martin has been busy again, and he's added one or two templates and some call to actions that we can add. So this is the text only version, the one that we've been used to. Now this one, if we choose this is the text and an image. Now you can swap this image out wherever you want, and you can add a banner there or whatever, and that is where you would add the link just there. Okay, now if you want to use a video, as some do, you can click on that one there. Now the default one is one of our videos, so you can use that with my permission, but not all videos at YouTube are permission. You've got to use what's called Creative Commons videos if you want one in the background. Now, if you've got a video already at a program that you are promoting, I don't think the owner of that program would mind if you added one of their YouTube videos. And all you need to do is to find that video and add the ID code just there, not the full link, just the ID code. Okay, and then you will get your video approved, not approved, well, it would be approved, but it would show just there. Okay, now there's another thing. Martin has added, you can add a button. So there's a button instead of the text. Okay, and all you would do is alter the content of that there. Click here now, can you see that? Just there. And you would put your own link in there for your affiliate program. Also is added yes, no buttons, which can be useful. So you can send them to different places depending on what they want, either yes or no. And all you do is alter the links for those there, and you can alter the content of those boxes just there. So that's great. Now then, one more thing, you can add now a capture form. Okay, so what I've done now, I've just done a dummy capture form over here. Don't forget, when you add a capture form, it's got to be in HTML format, or you can use ours. We've got a perfectly good autoresponder over at Buildabizonline. Make sure that it is your username and that you've got the campaign running, and that is the campaign ID. So make sure that those two things are correct. And then this is the form preview, another tool that Martin has made, by the way. Generate the code, and you can see it's a lot of gobbledygook. So you copy that, go back over here, and what we choose then is we're going to add the capture form, and it'll provide a box where we paste it, and then click anywhere out of there, and there it is. So we can have the form instead. So there we have it. More additions to the exit pop-up generator at Buildabizonline. So thank again, Martin, if you're watching this video, thanks very much for all the hard work you do. And I'm sure I can pass on the thanks from our members too. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Please subscribe to our channel, because if I add new training videos, you'll be the first to know. Click that like button if you like it. Comment underneath the videos of what you would like Martin to add, or if you've got a criticism in any way or whatever. Please feel free to do whatever you want. Please subscribe and hit that bell, and you will get notifications. Okay, this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for now, and we'll see you again in a future video. Please contact me if you need help with any of this. Do not be left on your own. You're never on your own at Buildabizonline. We're always here to help.